Hello and welcome, yes, to another exciting episode of Tech Macha. Yes, India's very first street tech show. We're coming to you from the 100-foot road at Indranagar, Bengaluru. And the quest today is to go ahead and find two wonderful souls who are going to go against each other. There is going to be fury. There is going to be tension. There is going to be all of that. But you never know. By the end of it all, they might be machas for life da. Yes, that's because we are powered by Cypher 2025 and fueled by Dosa and Data. I don't know how they link up with what I just said earlier. But anyway, till I go ahead and process that, let me go ahead and find two willing contestants who are ready to go ahead and dazzle us. So no peeking, these are the questions. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Tech Macha is all set to get along on a roller coaster ride. So as we say, Tech 1, Tech. Sorry, very bad joke. But anyway, the first question. Boys, what does the G in GB stand for?
Cypher, gigabyte.
Wonderful. Vignesh, Dennis has scored and he's already on the scoring board. Are you excited? Can we carry on? Nervous? Go for it. All right. Which is that tech billionaire who founded SpaceX? That seems like a tie. Actually, Dennis got it first.
Wait. I forgot his name. Tesla. He's also the owner of Tesla.
Yes, you're right. He is a tech billionaire.
How can I forget this? Yeah, let him take it.
Oh, very gracious of you. All right, Vignesh.
Elon Musk.
Well done! We are tied at 1-1 at the end of 2 questions. Wow, the race is hotting up. You're again peeking, Dennis. Are you being a menace? All right. Which company made the classic 3310 mobile phone? Which company made the classic 3310 mobile phone? The hint. Okay.
The hint.
Said it too quickly, I guess. This is prior to the days of smartphones.
Nokia.
Well done. Dennis is ahead. Well done, Vignesh. Alright. Which was the company which made the processor for the first iPhone?
Intel.
I'm so sorry, but the correct answer is Samsung. The score right now is 2-1. 2-1. Dennis is leading. This is, of course, the tiebreaker. Which company, which is basically a company from Bengaluru, is a major Indian IT company? Let me finish. Calm your nerves, boys. Is headquartered in Bengaluru and is one of the top global tech consulting firms.
Infosys.
Well done, ladies and gentlemen. We have a winner. Dennis, how are you feeling? Are you excited? Do you want to thank your mom and dad?
I do. I'm very proud of being
Your mom and dad?
myself,
Okay.
and thanks to my parents for birthing me.
Well done, Dennis. And we have a winner. Congratulations, Dennis. All right, Vignesh, I'm so sorry, but this is the reality check time. You tried very hard, but I believe the reflexes on Dennis were really quick today. He did not probably do arms today in the gym. You did, but that's okay. Vignesh, we have a fun punishment. I hope you had fun participating. So he is a great sport. And Vignesh is going to go ahead and do the fun punishment. So Vignesh, the fun punishment is that you have to go up to that tree and ask if Siri lives inside.
Sure.
Okay, wonderful. We are going to track Vignesh. Can we go, Vignesh? It will be a slow walk, ladies and gentlemen, as he gathers his confidence. Vignesh, how are you feeling?
A little nervous. Never spoke to a tree before, so it'll be exciting.
I was actually just going to ask you that. Are you turning a new leaf?
Maybe.
All right, Vignesh. Here we go. The question is, you have to basically ask the tree 3 times, does Siri live inside?
Hey Siri, you live inside. Hey Siri, you live inside. Hey Siri, you live inside.
I hope you got the answer.
Yeah, I did.
Wonderful. All right, Vignesh, thank you so much for being on the show. It's been a true pleasure. And you are the true Tech Macha.
Let's go.
Well, as always, it was wonderful fun on Tech Macha today. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself and you had all the dosa and the data that you needed. Well, before I leave you with a really fun fact, as always, which is the tradition on Tech Macha. That is that 1.8 trillion photographs get taken every year. Yes, you heard that right. And 95% of them are taken on the phone. And most of them don't even get deleted. So all I have to say to you before I say bye-bye, say cheese.